Hi, it's Jane. Today we're starting on a new language learning model, and it is called Grok Imagine. I think you've probably heard of Grok. It's quite popular out there. So stay tuned, and I am going to show you how to use text to create an image. Here we go. Okay, here we are. We are on ChatGPT. I am going to type in, I want an ultra realistic beaver working as a professional deck contractor in a suburban backyard. The beaver is wearing a small yellow construction jacket, helmet, and a tool belt, carrying a full-size cedar deckboard over one shoulder with a determined expression. Nearby are a tape measure, drill, level, and neatly stacked lumber. The unfinished deck looks professionally framed, bright morning sunlight, shallow depth of field, cinematic photography, incredibly detailed fur, realistic anatomy, natural colors, photo realistic. How do I prompt Grok Imagine text to image to do this? And enter. And here we have a prompt. The prompt says, ultra realistic wildlife photography of a beaver working as a professional deck contractor in a modern suburban backyard. The beaver has realistic anatomy, incredibly detailed brown fur, lifelike whiskers, and a focused, determined expression. It is wearing a small yellow construction hard hat and a realistic leather tool belt while carrying a full-size cedar deckboard balanced over one shoulder. professionally framed but unfinished cedar deck is under construction in the background. Nearby are a tape measure, cordless drill, carpenter's level, speed square, work gloves, and neatly stacked cedar deck boards. The construction site is clean, organized, and looks like the work of an experienced contractor. Bright morning sunlight creates warm, natural lighting with soft shadows. Shallow depth of field, cinematic composition, professional DSLR, wildlife photography, ultra sharp focus on the beaver, realistic textures, natural colors, photorealistic 8K HDR, high dynamic range, magazine quality construction photography. No cartoon style, no CGI, no text, no watermark, no extra limbs, no distorted anatomy. Okay, so we're going to take and copy this prompt. And then we're going to the website. And here it is. We're going to click on Explore AI API down here. And then we're going to search over here in the search field for Grok. And you can see here, Grok Imagine. I'm going to click on it. Now, you can see there are a whole bunch of options here. I'm going to start with text to image. And the reason for that is tomorrow, or in the next lesson, we are going to take that image and we're going to make it into a video. Click on text to image, go down here, and this prompt has to do with that young lady on the right. So we're going to take it out and we're going to paste in the prompt that I just copied. Okay, you can see there are 5 different aspect ratios here. And an aspect ratio is basically a 2 by 3, 3 by 2, 1 by 1, 9 by 16, 16 by 9. It is how wide it is compared to how long it is, or the other way around. So a 1 by 1 is square. So we'll pick 1 by 1. And we do have an option to enable Pro, but we won't for now. And I'm going to leave that checker on, and I'm going to click on Run. This is going to take a while, so I will pause the video and I will show you the picture when it's done. Okay, there's the picture. Now, we are going to download it. So click on this download all, and I'll show you what happens. It downloaded 3 pictures. So if we go to our downloads folder, you'll see there are actually 4, but that's because I was practicing this. And we have these 3 pictures. In the next lesson, we are going to take those 3 pictures and we're going to create a video. And that is it for today. If you like the content of the video, please like, and subscribe in the bottom right-hand corner.